Welcome to SRBPS online classes, my dear students. I'm your science teacher. Today, we'll learn about adaptations in polar regions. Adaptations in polar regions. Before going to adaptation, first of all, we'll learn about polar region. Polar regions are extremely cold regions. These are the regions where cold wind is blowing. They remain covered with ice throughout the year. Polar regions are covered with the ice for maximum time of year. Few plants grow in these regions and food becomes very scarce in winter. That is also because of cold region only, as the area is covered with the ice. So, very few plants are growing in these regions. Animals that are living in polar regions are adapted to survive in extreme cold conditions. These animals cannot live in warm places, as these all are adapted to live in cold regions. There are many animals which are found in polar regions, but here in adaptation we will be learning adaptations in polar bear. Polar bear. The body of polar bear is covered with thick layer of hollow hair. Their body is covered with thick layer of hollow hair, or we can say fur. The body is covered with fur. The adult polar bear have rough furry foot pads that help them walk on ice. Even the sole of feet has good amount of hair. Because of that, these bears do not slip or slide while walking on ice. But the cubs do not have furry foot pads. That's why they slip and slide. The polar bear has small ears and tail. This adaptation minimizes heat loss. Polar bears spend their time on land, in water, and in ice. They love being on the crack of the ice. They have a thick layer of fat below their skin, which keep them warm. They have a thick layer of fat, means they have chubby skin, which is called blubber. Because of this fat layer only, they keep their body warm even in extreme cold. Seals are the polar bear's main source of food, but it is not easy to find them because of cold atmosphere, cold environment. These are also hidden somewhere. Because of that, it is not easy to find seals. Body of a moving or awakened bear uses more energy. As we can take example of us also. If we are walking, we are jumping, we are playing, we also consume more energy. In the same way, body of a bear, when it is moving and when it is awake, it uses more energy. So, polar bears conserve their energy by sleeping. By sleeping, they conserve or save. Conserve means save. They save their energy by sleeping 7 to 8 hours every day. In winter, it sleeps for nearly 18 to 20 hours every day. Because in winter, there is a shortage of food. So, to avoid the loss of energy and to live in polar regions without food for many days. They sleep for nearly 18 to 20 hours every day. Polar bear is a good swimmer. When ice melts during summer, they swim for long distances to find seals on the floating ice.